feel like we're low on sour sauce. Check my purse. I have sweet and sour sauce in there.
I swear to God, you do.
I swear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Faithful, and here we have my cousin Twist. In this video, we're going to be doing the 60 Nugget Challenge. Shout out your channel.
Oh yeah, so twistwp. Just follow me. Subscribe, please. Like, it smells so good. I wish you guys could.
So good. Oh, let's get all the sauces.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of sauces, guys.
Rake them in. Sweet and sour, my go-to.
Super go-to. We got like 6 of these.
Then we got hot mustard.
She wanted to get honey. I don't know why she wanted honey for.
You wanted honey! I would never get honey with my nuggets. And then we got barbecue. Okay. Let's set a timer to see how long it takes.
So like, are we gonna just like rush through it though?
No, I'm gonna puke if I do all that. Hopefully we can do it in like...
Yeah, I'm gonna say 60 nuggets. Okay.
I saw people doing like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
But I'm not trying to rush because
I'm gonna say 20 minutes maybe.
20 minutes? I'm gonna say 15 if we finish.
Okay.
But we will.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure. I'm pretty hungry, so.
Right? I haven't eaten all day. Okay, so I have sweet and sour.
I'm gonna try the hot mustard first actually. I never had. Oh, this is a good sauce. I feel like I should have got another one of these.
Oh, that smells nice.
Really good.
Okay, and start. No, we're savoring this. We're not gonna make the time.
I'm so happy. Oh, it's really good though, this sauce.
I'm gonna try it on my next nugget.
I'm gonna open all sauces so they're just ready.
If you eat from finish one, finish all 20, then we'll finish that.
Okay.
I don't like that. Tastes like mayonnaise.
Whoa.
Tastes like spicy mayo. This boy, he likes Sprite and Nestea mixed together, so we know his taste buds are off.
And she likes Utopia, both orange and the strawberry one.
That sounds like it'd be good.
With some water to top it off, you know?
The water makes it like the perfect, like it's not too sweet. Perfect. You go to McDonald's and try it. Thank me later.
I'm gonna try honey. She wants to get honey.
Wait, they didn't give us our spicy buffalo.
Yeah, they didn't.
Guys, we were almost gonna do Burger King nuggets because they're only $2, but my theory is Burger King uses pigeon meat for their nuggets because why is it so cheap? So this was all 60 nuggets, 2 large drinks was $40 in Canada because Canada McDonald's is mad pricey, but Canada McDonald's is mad tasty because American McDonald's.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Yo, you guys gonna hate, but American nuggets, I don't know what is going on.
They're using the same meat as Burger King, the pigeon.
Pigeon.
It is not chicken.
These, they're crispy.
I don't know what they put in it because it's such a light flavor, but...
Guys, fun fact. Fun fact. I used to work at McDonald's.
I did too.
You did? No.
I worked there for 3 years.
I think mine was 2.
Were you on the grill?
Yo, at first, and now I'm like, yo, I'm a big dog. Why am I here? And they moved me up.
To what? Front counter?
No. I got fired before then.
Oh.
Guys, okay, wait. This is why I got fired though. Listen, I went to Denmark and I booked off like a certain week, right? My manager or assistant manager, whatever, booked me on like the wrong week. So I'm over there and they're apparently calling me. And obviously I'm not answering. So I come back. I'm going into work, this, trying to like find my schedule. What are you doing here?
They let you go.
Like,
You've been fired.
What do you mean? Like, yo, we fired you last week. You had like 3 no-shows. I was like, I booked it off. Like, oh, you booked off this week though. I was like, nah. You're just snakes.
So they let you come back?
Yo, the man said, I already sent in your thing. I don't know, so.
Oh shit.
And then McDonald's gives you an employee card, right? That like gives you half off. Yo, this one manager that I thought was my homie snaked me.
Why?
So I went in to go get back like my clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And the man's like, "Where's your card?" And I was like, "I don't know. I lost it." He's like, "You didn't." I'm like, "Yeah, I did." He's like, "When you're buying food, I saw it in your wallet."
Yeah,
In front of the store manager.
Wallet.
Yo, he snaked me.
Wow. When I worked at McDonald's and I stopped working there, you know how there has to be a sticker on the card for like that month? But one of my friends still worked there. So I would
always got it.
I get her to get me a new sticker, and then I would always have a new sticker, but then like when we both stopped working there, started paying full price. McDonald's was a fun time though. I was the drive-thru girl.
Honestly, I think some of like my best years working at a job was at McDonald's.
Yeah, it was actually a fun time. Like the customers used to irritate me, but like
I could imagine.
at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Like
See you.
I know this is my permanent job.
My McDonald's though. Plus, I was in high school, and everyone at my high school, and the one beside us,
Worked there?
worked there.
Yeah, all my friends worked at my
Yo.
McDonald's too. Oh, two of them. They worked there too.
That's funny. But nah, yo, like it was crazy. There's so many flights. Even managers, pop managers.
Physical?
Yeah, I was there. I tried. It's not that bad actually.
Shit is so sticky.
I don't know.
Real honey. Okay,
I feel
well,
like
scoop it up. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, go.
yeah. So yeah, we made corn dogs there.
At your location?
You know how they have like those like special days where they have like like you can get like a hot dog or some shit for like happy out. So
No,
not happy hour,
they never did that in mine.
Wow. Well, like so there'll be some days where it's like for the kids. And it's like a charity thing or like some, I don't know. And we just got like hot dogs. So we'll take the middle bun of the Big Mac. And there's eggs there for breakfast. So crack the eggs, you whisk it, you dip the bun in there with the middle part with the hot dog. You wrap it and you dip it in the deep fryer.
That makes sense. Was it good?
It was so good.
Fire?
Guys, we made so many things there.
Your McDonald's was on something next. You know what's funny, guys? These last few weeks, so I'm supposed to go on vacation in like 3-4 weeks, right? So these last few weeks, I've been trying to be healthy. I've been going to the gym, blah, blah, blah. Then I woke up and then I text him. I'm like, let's do a food challenge. And then he's like 60 nuggets. And now here I am eating 60 nuggets. Someone who's eating healthy.
There you go. See?
Okay, we're at 12 minutes. Crunch
time. Guys, see, look, with iced tea and Sprite, you don't taste the Sprite. It's just iced tea. Okay, imagine iced tea with like, what is that thing called? Carbonated water.
Does that sound good to you?
Have you never? Yo,
Iced tea
water,
with carbonated water?
it's just carbonated water though.
Carbonated water is trash.
Okay, I drink it.
You actually just drink carbonated water?
That's my mom, yeah.
Oh my goodness, carbonated water is
She'll
trash.
bring home, what is it called? Puree?
Oh yeah, I had this friend from work who used to drink that.
Yeah,
Shout outs to Dan. Every day he would drink it.
It's good for you though.
Yeah, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see. I feel like we're low on sour sauce. Check my purse. I have sweet and sour sauce in there.
I swear to God you do.
I swear.
There's no way.
The last time. Check my purse. This is embarrassing. The last time.
There's no way.
I have sweet and sour sauce.
Yo.
I only have one left.
That should be like a
Yeah, I only have one left.
what's in your purse video.
Sweet and sour sauce. I'm getting full. I need to slow down.
You're doing good though.
I knew this would happen.
Holy. One box is down, guys. Wait, so we definitely passed 30 nuggets.
Yeah.
It's crazy because 20 doesn't even look like a lot.
Right? It doesn't look like a lot. Count every nugget.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see if they tried to rip us off. Put them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll pull up the 36. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18!
Whoa!
They actually thought we wouldn't count. They thought we wouldn't come and count nuggets. I wonder how many were in both of our boxes.
I know.
Wow. I didn't think they would do that to us.
Yeah.
They thought they were motivating us, like, wow, you're gonna do 60 nuggets? Then they're gonna go miscount? They probably like dropped the
Unless they
basket
put some extras in ours.
yours? I doubt it. Because it's a 20 nugget pack.
Wow. Well, guys.
58 nugget challenge.
This is my 22nd nugget.
This is my 15th. I was just on 14. How am I not making progress? And you know how like after a while nuggets start to get hard?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm at right now. So I'm like,
it's not as
I'm
like,
not in the same like.
Yo, I don't know how people do 100.
I've never seen anyone finish 100 though. I saw one guy finish 60 though by himself. He made it 8.
So?
No, it was like this Asian guy.
Okay, yeah, but sorry. Some Asians though, I feel like they can break any world record because
They're motivated to do
they're
it.
so motivated.
Do honey again.
It is good, right?
No.
Well.
It's not. I just want to eat it. I just don't want to finish all my sour sauce. The honey's kind of hidden right now.
I told you, it's a spot. Give it another try though.
Hot mustard? Garbage.
You're looking at the honey mustard is the one that's booming.
You don't have honey mustard at McDonald's.
They used to though.
Yeah?
When
This? Ain't it?
when I first got hired, they had it and it was gone. That was cheese. My stomach is feeling like it's like going like this.
Okay, we're already at 20 minutes, so we missed that.
Yeah, are you done all 20 now?
I ate 20 nuggets, guys.
So that's 40 nuggets.
It's probably 18.
Last 20.
I think we could do it. Just motivate yourself. Motivate. 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 Why are you breathing like that? Ew. What are you doing?
I'm motivated.
Look at the sun.
I'm about to glow. Is that how the song goes?
Watch out for watch out for me. I'm about to glow.
It's funny because for the longest time, I thought you said go.
You thought Kanye was saying watch out for me, I'm about to go?
If I don't gain 20 pounds, imagine each nugget was 1 pound.
Don't even say that.
Oh yeah, because you'd be chasing.
I'd be so annoyed. As long as it all went to the bottom half of my body, fine. But leave my stomach alone.
That'd be so funny. You'd be like, I want to use like
sweet and sour.
Should I use sweet and sour?
Yeah.
Should I use barbecue honey? Yeah, no, sweet and sour is the way to go. Guys, man. We have about 2, 4, 6. We have 8 nuggets left. So 4 each.
How about 3 and 5? That's reasonable. That's reasonable. 3 and 5 is reasonable. You want to bulk up, no? So bulk up. I'm low-key messing with the honey. I'm not even gonna lie.
I told you it was good. I told you it was good. And you did like honey? Like, you know you chew, but you can't swallow it? Oh, wait. I have to like force myself.
Now we're both like hunched over.
Yeah, because if I go here, it just expands. So I'm trying to just keep it contained. I'm proud of us though.
Yeah, we're low-key feeling it. Half hour later, but it's happening. Whenever my heartbeat is up. 107 kind of is up. Damn. I'm even feeling like, I don't know if I'm feeling lightheaded.
Okay, whoa. I'm feeling really I'm just zoning out now. You know? Like I'm looking at the camera, but like I look through the camera, basically.
I feel like
Just scared me.
I know you have like air in there, and I can't burp. That's one thing about me. I can't like properly burp. I have like those burps that don't. Like, like those little. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do. Thing about me is.
Fun fact. You'd be like, did you know? For it to go, but it's all about the mindset, right? 2019, new year, new goals.
So you crush out for it, right? You crush out for it.
No. You have to be like chewing at least.
Look.
Oh yeah, no, there's no chewing in there. I hear all the air being switched around.
Nosy.
It's Gojo. Yo.
Hey.
Bro, we're dying right now. So guys, the last two.
They're like a nugget deal or something?
Nope.
Full price nuggets. But if you think about it, 60 nuggets was only $40. That's not that bad, no?
Yo.
But we had 2 large drinks too.
Because you could technically feed 6 people.
Please. The last one.
Last one, guys. Oh, I can't even do this though. My stomach. Okay. The whole nugget.
Are you doing the hot mustard? That's how you're taking it out with your last nugget.
Wow. Well,
We did it.
that did it.
Wait. 60 nuggets.
50. What? 60?
60.
Nugget.
Oh, it cut out. Wow,
God,
guys. 60 chicken nuggets down. God is good. Got us through it. Made it to the end. My hands are sticky. I don't know why. But
I love food, baby. Look. I can't even move right.
I hope I don't puke.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much
Thank you for watching.
our video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Check out Twist's channel. Check out my channel, depending on whose channel you're on. But thanks so much for coming through.
Also, comment down below what other food spots or what challenges you would like us to do.
Exactly, because we got time.
Yeah, as you can tell. we had 30 minutes to eat.
Oh shit, I didn't stop the timer. Oh, so it stopped at, okay, so it says 37 minutes. We probably finished like 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's like, okay. So you guys get it.
Yeah, you get it.
34.
Okay, guys, bye. Thank you.